What's up, YouTube? Today, a friend of mine, Megan, hit me up today and she's like, yo, you wanna shoot me with a Lambo? And I'm like, hell yeah, I wanna shoot you with a Lambo. So I threw all my stuff together and you guys are gonna enjoy this video. So let's get into it.
Good, there you go. Good.
Is it possible to left hand like that?
Let's go. Let's go, Megan. Do one. Reach down to what, like your feet, you know how you like. There we go, good. Just, yep, work it up, work it up. Just lean back, like how you, yeah. Oh, okay, okay. All right. She said, don't tell me, I know. That's it. This is good.